Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Salatu wassalamu ala Rasulillah. Brothers, sisters, in today's lesson I want to show you something. We learned how we bring 3D model, but sometimes you see this 3D model should be up to here, but as you see, if we go to the south view, we see there's a gap between them. Okay, so how we can solve this problem for like this one? Okay, if we have something like this, of course we can change the scale, but it's from here. If you select this one, we can go to in place, and after that we can go to make, sorry, we can change the scale here. But how about if in one direction? As you see here, the scale is not working. So what I'm doing, we have to open the file in AutoCAD, because as we said, this one we have in AutoCAD shape, or we bring it as a DXF file. So what I'm going to do, I just go back and I will wait until advanced steel. It's advanced steel or any kind of AutoCAD. I'm not using advanced steel, but yeah, right, I'm using advanced steel program, but I'm using as an AutoCAD file. Okay, so I will open this file and in AutoCAD and scale there. Okay, I will wait till it opens. Maybe open here. In one direction, you see, not this one, yeah. So this is this file. So I will open here and just double click so as to zoom to window, and after that go to the top view, and from here what I have to do, or what I have to choose, because I have 8 meters in my it's 8 meters, so I will make 8 meters. So how can I solve this? Just DLI for measuring it, so as to measure what we have, but first I will remove this one so I can use lines and or dimension line better. As you see, I have 3.7, but in Revit I give it a scale is 2 times 2. You see, it's times 2. So what I have now in real this dimension, the height of it is 3.7 times by 2. It will be 7.4. Okay, 7.4. So what I'm doing now, I have to bring up to by point 3 to the top. What is the best point to what is the best point to stretch it? As you see, if I stretch here is bad. It's a kind of give me a sharp shape. So I have to select this one in this area, and I can stretch it from here. Stretch by 0.3, and now I get 4 meter. Okay, 4 meter. When I scale it to 2, or scaled by 2, it will be 8 meter, and it will give me the same distance that I have. Okay, so this is the thing that we want to work with. As you see, these two are our let me finish first. These two is our windows that we created. I think this one is more see, this one and this one, and we can change it from here to something 0.5. I think is good, yeah, or whatever we want. We can scale it, or we can set the height. Okay, so this is the windows that we created before. Thank you very much.